Hi guys, it's Mrs. B. Welcome to Lesson 3, Salary Pay. So in Lesson 2, we had talked about how to calculate hourly pay, and today we're going to talk about how to calculate a salary pay. Okay, so typically jobs offer two different types of payment methods, hourly or salary. Salary, you're going to get the same amount every week no matter how many hours you work, so sometimes it's good and it's bad. It really just depends on what kind of job you work and the time that you put into it. For example, I'm a teacher. I get a salary pay. So I'm getting paid technically for the time that I'm at work. But if I take work home with me at night, for example, to grade papers or write lessons, I'm technically not getting paid for that time. I'm getting the same amount every week no matter how many hours I work. So by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to calculate the yearly, monthly, and weekly pay rates based on a salary. So first off, okay, defining salary. So let's read a little bit of this. It says, you have worked at the movie theater for 6 years, and you make your way up to assistant manager, and finally manager. Because you're at this status, the company pays you a salary, which is typically the case because lower-end jobs usually get hourly pay. Not to say that, you can't make a lot of money at an hourly pay rate. You can, especially if you're in construction, any type of union work. Some of those guys are making like $50, $60 an hour, which is a lot of money. But for the most part, if you're an upper-level manager, most of these people get paid a salary. So, back to the paragraph. This is a fixed amount of money that you earn on a regular basis. Your salary may be paid weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. We're going to talk about what each of those mean in a moment. Your annual salary is the total salary you earn during a year. There are 52 weekly, 26 bi-weekly, and 24 semi-monthly, and 12 monthly pay periods per year. So these are the different types of ways you could get paid. You're all getting paid, you would get paid the same amount. It's just how they divide up your salary throughout the year. So, the way we determine salary pay per period is your annual salary divided by the number of your number of pay periods per year. So, just a quick example here. Okay, let's just say your salary every year is $60,000. That is your yearly salary. At the end of the year, you're making $60,000. Okay, your company pays you on a weekly basis. So every single week of the year, you're getting a paycheck. Okay, in a year, okay, there are approximately 52 weeks. So we take 60,000 and we divide it by 52 weeks. So 60,000 divided by 52 weeks gives us approximately 11, or I should say, let me make more space here. Hold on, I'm sorry, guys. Is approximately $1,153.85. So every week in your paycheck, your gross pay, the amount that you would get paid before deductions, is $1,153.85. Okay, that's just a quick example. So let's go over some of the terms again. Although we talked a little bit about them, okay, it's important to know what each of these terms means. So annually, okay, annually is every year, okay, it's your total salary. For the year. Okay, so that's $60,000 would be your annual salary. Semi-monthly. Your semi-monthly pay means 2 times per month. Okay, this is usually paid on the 15th and 30th of the month. So the company takes the month, and why we say, the reason we say usually is because the 15th and the 30th is approximately the halfway and the end marker of the month. Okay, so the number of pay periods per year for you, okay, would be, if you're getting paid 2 times every month, well, there's 12 paychecks, or sorry, 12 months in a year, times, okay, your 2 checks per month, which gives you 24 pay periods. Okay, so if you're getting paid semi-monthly, you're getting 24 paychecks every year. So semi-monthly is 24 pay periods, or paychecks. Pay period and paycheck is the same thing. Monthly. Okay, monthly is very simple. 1 time each month. This is not as common. You don't see many companies paying their employees 1 time per month just because it's not really feasible. Think about it. If you got paid on the 1st of every month and couldn't get paid to the 1st of the next month, you might blow your money pretty quick. But it is, it sometimes happens. So really simple, we calculate the number of paychecks per year. If you're getting paid 1 time every month, there's 12 months in a year, times you're getting 1 check every month. Okay, 12 times 1 gives you 12 pay periods. So 12 pay periods on a monthly basis. Weekly. Okay, very simple. 1 time each week. So the number of paychecks you're going to get, okay, or the number of pay periods is, there's 365 days in a year. Times, there's 7 days in a week. So, I'm sorry. 365 days in a year divided by 7 days per week, which gives us approximately 52 pay periods, or 52 paychecks. So if you're getting paid on a weekly basis throughout the year, over 1 year's time, you're going to get 52 paychecks. And lastly, okay, we have bi-weekly, which sounds a little confusing, but it does mean 1 time every 2 weeks. So what this means is that if you get paid on Friday, you're not going to be paid until the following Friday. Okay, so you skip a Friday and then you get paid. So every 2 weeks you're getting paid. Okay, so Friday I get paid, next Friday comes I don't get paid, and I get paid on the following Friday. So we calculate this by 365 days in a year divided by, well, once every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, there's 14 days in 2 weeks, right? If there's 7 in 1 week, then there's 14 days in 2 weeks. So divided by 14 days in 2 weeks gives us approximately 26 pay periods, which is half of 52. So no matter which way you get paid here, you're getting the same amount of money. Whatever your salary is, let's just go back to that $60,000 salary, for example. No matter which way you get paid out of these 5 choices, you're going to get paid the same amount of money. You're going to get paid $60,000 at the end of the year. It's just a matter of how we split up that $60,000 throughout the year. So, example 1. Beth is a computer programmer. Her annual salary is $42,648 per year. Annual salary means per year. What is her monthly salary? So her monthly salary, okay, we take her total. Remember our formula here. Okay, we take our annual salary and we divide it by the number of pay periods per year. So when we talk about monthly, okay, our monthly salary here is 12 pay periods. So I take my annual salary and I divide it by 12 pay periods. And if you use your calculator, you should get $3,554 per month. So every month, that's the amount of money that she's getting. If we want to calculate her weekly salary, remember, weekly salary, okay, every year, you're getting about 52 paychecks. Okay, so if we take that same number, 42,648, and divide it by 52, you get approximately $820.15. Remember, whenever we talk about money, we round to the nearest 2 decimal places. Per week. Two, Cameron makes an annual salary of $42,900. What is his bi-weekly salary? So if I go back to bi-weekly, okay, he's getting 26 pay periods every year. So I take my total and I divide it by 26 pay periods every year. And I get $1,650 every 2 weeks. Okay, and they're in your paycheck. And the last one, Haley makes an annual salary of $18,200. What is her semi-monthly salary? If I go back to semi-monthly, okay, semi-monthly here is 24 pay periods. So you're getting 24 paychecks every year. So $18,200 divided by 24 paychecks should give you $758 and roughly 33 cents twice per month. So 2 times a month she's getting $758.33. Again, you guys, I expect you guys to be calculating this on your own. You can pause the video if I'm going too quickly. That's the beauty of watching a video lesson. Okay, you can stop and try it yourself. And the last one here. Okay, last example for today. The city of Carson advertised for a redevelopment project manager at a monthly salary of $5,480. So every month he gets $5,480. What is his annual salary? Well, we're working backwards a little bit now. How many months are there in a year, right? Annually, there's 12 months. So if this is what he gets paid every 1 month, right? We take the number, he gets $5,480 every 1 month times 12 months. So every year, the person is getting $65,760. That's his annual salary. So his weekly salary now, well, if he gets $5,480 every month, there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So we take that number, okay, and if that's 1 month, we have to divide it by 4 weeks. So 5,480 divided by 4 gives you $1,370 every week. Alright guys, that concludes our lesson for today. If you go on to Google Classroom or go into your email, you'll find the assignment. It's 3 short problems. Should be fairly simple. Please complete the assignment either on a piece of paper. If you print it out and write on it, you can also, do it that way. You can do it right on your iPad. Just make sure whatever way you choose, you email it to my school email at jb@sewanecaschools.org. And if you're doing it on a piece of paper, just make sure you can take a picture of it and upload that to your email and email it to me. If you feel more comfortable texting it to me, you can do that as well. I don't mind either way. If you're going to text me, just make sure I know who's texting me. Alright guys, have a good night, and if you have questions, you can always video chat me from 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning, or 12 to 1 in the afternoon, or you can email me or text me with any questions at any time of the day you want. Alright, miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.